Hello everyone. So in this video I'm going to be continuing on OpenClaw. For this time around I decided to actually continue on uh, without any altercation, and it's regarding this connecting to Gmail, calendar, so forth. One thing to note, whenever you connect to your Pi, so I connect to SSH, right, instantly call this connection regarding Go GogCLI. That is required for connecting to all Google related services, right? So yeah, if you want to connect initially to Telegram and so forth, you can refer to my previous video, and yeah, if there are some confusions, feel free to ask, right? You'll have to go to this Google Cloud Console. I created my Pi assistant, and here is as OpenClaw API key, and here you can get the key. So basically, apart from that, for Gmail, you, here you have to enable it, manage, and you can see it should be already connected. Here it has all things that is connected to this my Pi assistant, and it relates with the same key. Just in case you have to add it in SSH once again. So so I go here, I SSH to Sperry, I SSH to my Pi, and to make it maybe easier, I'm gonna use Gemini together, so we could like find the solution basically. So as we can see from the Telegram that I am lacking GogCLI. So obviously, because it's Google, it would require installation of Golang, and I don't think I actually have it. Let's at first do this apt install in Golang. And I use Pi4, by the way. If you have new one, then it's better. So if I take ls, I don't think I have Gog. Okay, yeah. I don't have it installed. Let me just. Let's see if it's gonna work. So git clone, and we make a binary name. And here I should, as I mentioned, go here, enable all the services from Google we require for it to work. OAuth application type, desktop app, name. Let me maybe name it like that. Okay, here I have client ID then generated and client secret and so forth. Okay, this one I didn't do it before. So below you should have an option download as JSON. Okay, here I have it downloaded as JSON. Because there are definitely some issues. Let me just English. Okay, I have some issues with Go actually. So I have to CD. There are some stuff. No. 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 5. I guess a Go CLI obviously requires newer one. Let me see if it has been added. No. Okay, you can see it's here added. Control X. Okay, now it has been installed correctly. On my default it was 125, so we can continue on the next steps. The client in my Mac, how to dance it to buy. Let's see how to do it in most. Secret, as you can see it pass here, and then I guess it's raspberry. Let's see if it's gonna work. Okay, ls. Let me see if it went through. I think it did go through. Good. Let's try again. Because it has gone to home. Is it this one? Oh, I think now it should be here. Okay, perfect. Because as you can see, we SCP, so we took from the downloads and pasted it in Raspberry Pi this as my SSH and home Pi, and this is home, and you can see it's here. Great. Now I can see it. So now I go backwards, and let's see how to add. So OAuth credentials, client secret. Why is it not found? Well, let's see, because I did install it. Okay, I think maybe it hasn't been built. Let me see. GogCLI is here. Oh yeah. Wait, let me showcase once again. I have to find it. Here are some stuff actually. Works out. Oh, okay. Let me ask. Because I did add, or we did add JSON for secret, but the question if it as well like the other one is needed. API and services. The question, but I think I added. Okay, this one is. I think I have now two. Okay, so it's an active. This one I can actually delete because it's not being active. Key. Okay, so there's still some. Okay, so I have to manually add. Let me add. So I'm curious if this one. Okay. Okay, now, okay, it's not, I don't think the secret is just off. Ah, okay, so great. Okay, now I am giving permissions as it seems. Okay, this is really nice because yeah, obviously I put the JSON, as you can see here, that I generated from the wait, let me go from here, right? I get the client ID and the password, but obviously as well for additional precaution, there is OAuth, and here I can select all, so I'm gonna trust it. Okay, let me now check if anything up in my let's see if something will come up. Let me just copy. Okay, now actually it's good to check if everything is as needed. List. Okay, let's see what we have in our OpenClaw. Is Gog. Is this ready? Maybe I have to enable it, to be honest. Let's see if it's enabled. Okay. So I have to actually add some conflicts. Let me add. Why add that one maybe? So here I just add the default tools. Maybe 2 arguments. Let me just add these ones. Okay, whether I don't need. Let me see if the password's actually there. It should be. Wait, if I'm gonna open the other one. Okay, it is there. Maybe I actually have to restart the gateway for it to work out. I think that helped me previously in a few cases. Let me ask the same question. see if it's gonna.
One eternity later.
So as far as I checked here, I had some unreachable connection. So now when I check status, it actually should work out as expected, because I needed to update my OpenClaw. Here it's going through. Let me see how it's gonna go out now. Okay, now it's Open Gateway is connected. And something else to note that I figured out is something with keyring password. That's actually a file-based keyring, so it needs to be decrypted to some sense. Yeah, because I added this as an export, right? So now when I check, for example, here Telegram is okay and config, and for example then I go here, now it should work out. For example, I can ask do I have any events occur in this month? So now it should go use the GOG, like the service. As you can see, it's thinking. Yes, it says I have NBX Expo, for the blockchain in this upcoming month. So for example here, I go to, oh, and really important, this one, just remember we did it together. And if I go, for example, calendar, you can see NBX Expo. But anyhow, wait, oh no. But anyhow, as you can see, it did connect, and I actually figured out based on my Google Calendar. So that's basically it. I hope you liked the video and you learned a ton, and it was more concise this time around. The fun thing about it that, like, you know, it can be just on collected and then it will automatically work, right? And I can still work on my other projects. For example, here I have smart card reader Rust-based project, so can use it all the time on the Pythoning. So yeah, see you in the next one. Cheers.